In the annals of human innovation, few advancements have been as transformative as the Global Positioning System, GPS. This tale begins in the Cold War era, a time rife with tension and technological competition. The seeds of GPS were sown in the 1950s, when the United States Department of Defense initiated a project to develop a system of satellites that could provide precise positioning data. The aim was to ensure military superiority, but the implications would extend far beyond the battlefield. The first satellite, named Navigation Technology Satellite 1, NTS-1, was launched in 1958. However, it was not until the 1960s, under the auspices of the transit system, that the first operational navigation satellite was deployed. The transit system, though crude by today's standards, revolutionized navigation for the military. However, it was the 1970s that marked the beginning of the GPS we know today. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the Department of Defense collaborated to develop the navigation system with timing and ranging, Navstar, the precursor to GPS. The Navstar system consisted of a network of 24 satellites, each orbiting the Earth at a specific altitude and angle. These satellites transmitted signals that could be used to calculate a receiver's exact location. The first GPS satellite was launched in 1978, marking the birth of a new era in navigation. The 1980s saw the system's refinement. The GPS Block I satellites, launched during this decade, introduced a new generation of satellites with improved accuracy and reliability. However, these satellites were still intended for military use, with civilians denied access to the system's full potential. This changed in the early 1990s, when the U.S. government decided to make GPS available for civilian use. This decision marked a turning point, as the system's potential for civilian applications became evident. GPS was no longer just a military tool, it was a tool for everyone. Today, GPS technology is ubiquitous. It's in our cars, our phones, our ships, and even our watches. It guides us home, helps us find our way through unfamiliar cities, and allows us to navigate the vast oceans with unprecedented precision. The story of GPS is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collaboration. From its humble beginnings as a military project to its current status as a global necessity, GPS has transformed the way we navigate the world. It's a story that continues to unfold, with new applications and advancements emerging every day. In the end, the GPS is not just a tool, it's a testament to the human spirit's unquenchable thirst for exploration, discovery, and understanding. It's a beacon that guides us, not just through the physical world, but through the vast expanses of human possibility.